Rocker Pat here. Alright guys, it's another rocking day in the jungle. Okay, so I was just over there watching some videos over at Ron's garage. Ron, let me help you out here, brother. I seen you struggling to get the windshield in your 1940 Chevrolet coupe. It's all the same, okay? I want you to look at this. You see how we've got a nice fat gasket out here so that it comes all the way up to the edge of the windshield, windshield frame, okay? Also, this piece in the center, you see how it has the rubber on the outside of your upright that's in there. Your upright looks like it's bent to me and pulled outward. It needs to transition where it kicks in and then goes up. Your chrome piece right here that has the holes in it, okay, that lays up against your center bar goes in from the outside, all right? Now let's come inside and we'll look at it from in here. Your garnish molding, okay, is screwed from the inside all the way through the bar that's already on your windshield frame that's there welded to the body, to the rubber outside of it, so that it seals it into your chrome strip. Your screws go this direction and grabs hold of the chrome strip, sandwiching it in between the bar that's already on your car. But the rubber needs to be on the outside of that bar going up and down, or you have no seal right there. Also, your garnish molding never goes in until your windshield is completely in the car. You have the smaller lip on the inside, because the water's not in here, it's out there, and you need the larger lip, okay? So, I don't know if that's going to help you there, brother, but I've seen your struggle, and I'm trying to help you here. There are other videos about how to put this in. I put this windshield in all by myself. You want to start with your rope down here at the bottom, because as you set the windshield in, you're going to set it into the groove. You're going to pull it equally all the way around this side, and start working your way up, all the while taking your hand and smacking the window down into the groove. I also suggest a strong dose of silicone spray lubricant, okay? I definitely suggest using a lot of this into this track. If you've got another groove in there, that means you've got this piece of chrome. You need to put that piece of chrome in before you put the windshield in, okay? I hope that helps, but again, you need your wide part on the outside. I think all you need to do is take your window out, flip it around, okay? And then put it in from the outside. And if this bar that's right here is not in the right position, it's because it's bent outward. The way you've got it right now from the inside, anything hits this windshield, it's going to fold the windshield in on top of you. The way it is right here, where this center bar is held in with the rubber on the outside like it is, okay? The way that's held in, anything hits this, that bar going down is your protection. All right, Ron, I hope that helps you out. I know you're over there struggling with it and everything, but yeah, I'm that guy screaming at you through the damn TV or the lens. Man, you're going the wrong way, brother. All right, I hope this helps you out, guys. All right, talk to y'all later. Y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking.